subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei sub-brand Honor has launched two new 5G-enabled smartphones under Play series in China called Honor Play 4 and Play 4 Pro. And among these two, the Honor Play 4 is the low-cost variant of this series. Talking about the specifications, the Honor Play 4 supports a 6.81-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.33% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 800 5G chipset paired with Mali G57MC4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Honor Play 4 features a quad camera setup on the rear in a squarish module that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.89 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad ray cameras are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and at the front it has 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with Magic UI 3.1 skin on the top, and it comes equipped by 4300 mAh battery that supports 22.5 watts fast charging. Additionally, the device also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with liquid cooling system that protects the device in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual-band 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 170 by 78.5 by 8.9mm and it weighs around 213 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor Play 4 has been priced in China for 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Magic Night Black, Phantom Blue and Iceland Illusion color options, and it will go on sale starting from June 12th. So, what do you guys think of this Honor Play 4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.